How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available on your App Store or Google Play Store. And then now, assuming that you have updated your Snapchat, you may now open it. And then there are actually two ways I can suggest in adding someone without it saying added by search. So the first one is by simply clicking on this button right here, which is the add friend button. And then once you're right here, what I would like you to do is to simply scroll down right here and look for the name of that person. However, it will just notify them that you have added them through Quick Add and not added by search. And then for the second way, you may also ask for their snap code, or you may ask one of their friends to send you their snap code. So for example, you have now their snap code. You just simply click on the snap code button right here, and then you may either scan their snap code, or um, you may save their snap code and then click this button right here and choose their snap code from your camera roll. You may also go back to the camera section on Snapchat and then press and hold onto the screen. So assuming that you have directed the snap code to your camera, you just simply press and hold into that snap code, and then as you can see, there is a scanning result right here, and then you may add that person, and it will only say that you have added them through snap code and not added by search. So that's it. That's how you can add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.